7 side hustles students can start in 2025. Earn $500 plus per month. Broke student? Stop scrolling. Revolving light in 2025. You could be making $500,500, $1K, even $5,000 per month with these 7 insane side hustles. No degree. Number 9 to 5, just your hustle. Stick around, because number 5 will blow your mind. Quick cuts of students counting cash, working on laptops, celebrating. Yes, you can start today. Smash that like button if you're ready to hustle. Subscribe right now. I drop life-changing tips every week. 7 hustles, 7 opportunities. Number 1, AI content creation robot. ChatGPT and AI tools are paying students big in 2025. How? Write blog posts, social media captions, even ebooks. Where? Upwork, Fiverr, sell AI art on Etsy. Earnings: 200-1K per month. Show PayPal proof, screen recording of AI tools generating content. Number 2, thrift flipping shopping bags. Buy for 5, sell for 5, sell for 50? Yes. Best items: vintage tees, sneakers, rare books. eBay, Depop, Facebook Marketplace. Film your thrift hauls for TikTok equals free marketing. Comment below. What's the best thing you flipped? Number 3, faceless YouTube automation movie camera. No camera. No problem. Motivational speeches, AI voice, Reddit stories, trivia. Tools: Canva, InVideo, ChatGPT scripts. Earnings: 500-10K per month. AdSense plus sponsorships. This changed my life, and it can change yours. Number 4, online tutoring books. Get paid to teach what you already know. Subjects: math, coding, even Fortnite coaching. Platforms: Zoom, TutorMe, Preply. Earnings: 20-50 per hour. I made $1,000 per month tutoring. Here's how. Number 5, print on demand t-shirt. Zero inventory? Zero problem. Sell custom shirts, hoodies, phone cases. Sites: Redbubble, Teespring, Printify. Marketing: Pinterest plus TikTok equals free traffic if you'd wear Echo Envision merch. Number 6, social media manager cell phone. Businesses need you to post for them. Skills: basic Canva, scheduling, later, buffer. Clients: local shops, startups, influencers. Earnings: 300-2K per month. Light bulb tip: charge weekly, not hourly. Number 7, short-term rentals house. No, you don't need to own property. How? Rent a place, Airbnb, sublet, or manage for owners. Earnings: 500-500-5K per month. Passive income: clip of someone handing over keys plus cash. 1. AI content. 2. Thrift flipping. 3. Faceless YouTube. 4. Tutoring. 5. Print on demand. 6. Social media manager. 7. Airbnb hustle. Like this video if you're ready to hustle. Subscribe now. Next week: how I made $10,000 in 30 days. Comment your favorite hustle. I'll reply. Subscribe, animation plus bell icon. Upcoming video teaser: $10,000 per month student hustle.